You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the order of photos in a carousel post after you have already published it on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to the post you want to edit. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post. Select Edit. This will open the carousel editor. You will see small thumbnails of all the photos in your post at the bottom. To change the order, press and hold on a thumbnail. Drag it left or right to a new position in the sequence. Release your finger to drop it. The order in the thumbnails is the new order for your post. You can drag and rearrange all photos as needed. You can also delete a photo by tapping the trash can icon on its thumbnail, or add alt text by tapping on a thumbnail and selecting Edit Alt Text. Once you are satisfied with the new order, tap Done in the top right corner, then tap Done again to confirm. The changes are saved instantly, and viewers will now see the photos in your updated order. You cannot change the cover image of the carousel after posting. The first thumbnail in the edited order becomes the new cover. For more simple Instagram tutorials, subscribe to the channel.